FANUC G68 coordinate rotation G-code makes it easy for CNC machinists to run a pattern of operations in a rotated angle. Here is a basic CNC programming example which helps to understand the actual working of G68 coordinate rotation. T1 MO6 G0 G90 G40 G21 G17 G94 G80 G54 X20 Y0 S1500 M3 speed is per calculation. G43 Z100 H1 Z5 G81 R3 Z20 F M8 feed is per calculation. X30 X45 G68 X0 Y0 R120 X20 Y0 X30 X45 G68 X0 Y0 R240 X20 Y0 X30 X45 G69 G80 G0 G90 Z100 M30. If you like video, then press thumbs up button. Subscribe my channel, comments if you want any suggestions. Its video is for free education version. So please subscribe and increase your knowledge about CNC programming. Thanks for watching my videos.